In today's video, we show you 5 of the best Amazon FBA deals from the end of April into May. So welcome back to the channel. Today we have the third part in this series, which is the top 5 Amazon FBA deals we send into our deal of the day. So what is deal of the day? This is a feature in our Discord where we send in 1 to 2 deals Monday to Friday to all of our customers for free in the UK and US, to give them some inspiration on the types of deals to look for and where to look and so on. Now, just a quick note, we don't really recommend to buy any of these deals. It is purely just to help our users know where to look. The reason being is they do get seen by quite a lot of people as it's public in our Discord, and they also go out on social media. So a lot of these products price does drive right down just because there is quite a lot of competition. So please note all of the figures I'll be showing you today are all correct at the time we sent them in, but obviously as competition does increase, the profitability is likely to decrease. But that's all about deal of the day, so let's jump right into it. So this first product we have is from the website Natino. Now you've probably seen Natino in our previous videos. It's a great website for finding Amazon FBA deals in the beauty section. They've got such a wide variety of products, often running discounts and deals and so on. So this product we found was this eyebrow dye with activator. And when we sent this into the deal of the day, we could actually buy it for £2.90. It's actually dropped even further now, so it's now £2.20. So we're saving 44% on this product. Now when we sent it into deal of the day, it was selling on Amazon for £9.99. You should be able to see the Profitl screenshot on your screen. This is from when we first sent it into deal of the day. So as you can see, it was selling for £9.99. Sales were 90 to 210 units a month, so really good sales. FBA fee £2.87, referral fee £1.53. Break even point £8.18. And what that means is if we were buying this product for £2.90 and we had them fees I just mentioned, we must sell it for £8.18 as a minimum to get our money back. Now profitability wise, the key metric we look for is return on investment. Now ideally you want to be getting 30% minimum. As we can see on this product, we are getting 62%, so almost double that. And this is such an important metric because obviously not all items are going to be really high profit if they are cheaper. And likewise, if you're selling a really expensive item, the profit might be quite high, but the actual ROI might not be the best, which means it may not actually be as good of a deal as it is if you're just looking at the profit, and that doesn't leave you a lot of wiggle room for price changes. So with that return on investment of 62%, that would give us an estimated profit per unit of £1.81. And the best thing about this product was that when we sent it in, there was only one FBA seller on the listing, and what that means is there's not much competition. So that means you've got a really good chance of winning the buy box, and as you probably know, the buy box is the key to being successful on Amazon FBA. If you don't get the buy box, you're not going to get any sales. Okay, so next up we have this product on the website Bargain Mats, and it's this Mrs. Potato Head silly suitcase. Bargain Mats is another great website for finding online arbitrage deals, often running sales, often got discount codes you can use. I mean, we can see one right here. They've got 25% off a lot of products, and this one here was in the sale, so it's usually £23.99. Whether it's actually always that, we don't know, but we are saving £14 and we can buy this at the moment for £9.99. So as you can see from the Profitl screenshot, when we sent this into deal of the day, it was selling on Amazon for £21.90. Decent sales, so between 30 to 90 units a month. Really good reviews on this one, not that many, obviously a newer product. There was only 10 reviews, but it was 5-star rated, and that is important because obviously we want a highly rated product because it's less likely to get returned. Obviously we want to keep returns and issues for the customer to a minimum. So our break-even point on this one was £17.27, so we're buying it for £9.99, and with our FBA fee, referral fee and our VAT, we'd have to sell it for £17.27 to get our money back. So we had nice room for movement, which meant we had a 47% ROI. And obviously, as this is a slightly more expensive product compared to the last one, it meant our profit per unit was £4.72 per unit. And again, the nice thing about this product was low competition. So only 3 FBA sellers when we first found this product. Obviously this can vary slightly. Ideally you want less than 5 FBA sellers. The more sellers, the more inexperienced the sellers are likely to be as well, and the more likely you're going to get into pricing wars, which you just totally want to avoid. But overall, this was a great product, good sales, good profitability and low competition. So next up, we have one from the website Ocado, and it's these virtual Great Riff Breakfast Blend Everyday Tea Bags, 80 per pack. So currently they're £5.10. When we sent them into deal of the day, we could actually buy these for £4. So they have gone up slightly, but not much at all. So you'll see on the Profitl screenshot just now, we was buying these for £4 and they were selling on Amazon at the time for £14.45. Again, this one had decent sales of between 30 to 90 units a month, so healthy sales. Product reviews good on this one, so it was 4.5 star rated and it had 71 reviews, so again, good rating on this one. Break even point £9.68, so if we were buying it for £4 and we had our FBA fee of £2.52, our referral fee of £2.21 and our VAT of 95 pence, that is the VAT on the fees. We need to sell this for £9.68 in order to get our money back. Now there's a couple of things which we really liked about this product, which was the return on investment, so 119%. That is a great return on investment. The nice thing about online arbitrage, it really is feasible to get return on investments like this. And that meant from a product which wasn't that expensive, it gave us a profit per unit of £4.77, and that gives us huge wiggle room. If more sellers were to come on the listing, if the price was to drop, we'd still be ending up with good profit per unit. And finally, another great thing about it was that there was only one other FBA seller, and I'm sure you can see a pattern of what's forming here. A key part to finding your FBA deals is getting low competition. Obviously, you can't totally restrict competition because there's a high chance that this product is low competition now, but within a few weeks there may be loads of sellers. But if it's at a stage where there's not much competition, that does just reduce your risk compared to a listing which already has a high amount of competition. So next up is a product from the website Smiths. Smiths is a great website for finding deals, one of my favourite. I'm sure if you've watched my previous videos, you would have seen a lot of products from this website. We could buy this for £5 at the time. It is still £5 at the moment, and it was selling on Amazon for £11.99. The big thing we liked about this one was that it had great sales. So it was selling between 180 to 390 units a month. And with a product which has really good sales, that means that everyone's stock is going to be moving faster. So if you have got a little bit more competition, it doesn't matter as much on a product which is selling a lot because they're going to sell out quicker. So this one had good reviews, so 4.5 star rated with 116 reviews. FBA fee £2.37, referral fee £1.83, and the VAT on the fees 84 pence. Break even point was £10.05. Return on investment wasn't as high on this one, only 39%, giving us an estimated profit per unit of £1.94. But there wasn't much competition on this one, only 2 FBA sellers. And as I said, the thing we really liked about this product was the fact it was selling well. And to be successful on Amazon FBA, you need a mixture of really high profitable items and products which maybe are slightly on the lower end of profitability, but they are selling a lot. And our fifth and final product is from Tesco. Tesco, another great website for finding deals, mainly because they've just got so many products, as you can imagine. This product was a Sheba Fresh and Fine tuna and salmon cat food. We could buy it for £1.95 at the time. It still is £1.95. So this wasn't a discount item. So these ones are great because they're replenishable. You can keep buying more and more as long as you don't have any restrictions by Tesco's. Obviously with sale items, they do sell out. Once they're gone, they're gone. So this is why items like this are great. So when we sent this into deal of the day, it was selling on Amazon for £8.95. So we were buying it for £1.95. We could sell it for £8.95. Good sales, 60 to 120 units a month. The reviews weren't the best on this one, but the nice thing about cat food is the chances are you aren't going to get returns on it, so you don't have to worry about the reviews so much. Our break-even point was £6.29, so if we're buying it for £1.95 and we had these fees, we'd need to sell it for £6.29 in order to get our money back. And the thing we loved about this product was the return on investment, 136%, so an amazing return on investment. Huge wiggle room for the price to drop, and that would give us a profit per unit of £2.66. So to be spending £1.95 and getting a profit back of £2.66 is quite incredible. There was 5 FBA sellers on this listing, but at the time we did check the stock levels of them sellers and they didn't have too much, so it wasn't really a problem. But when you do get a product like this with this much wiggle room on the price, and it all looked good on the price graphs, it is an absolute no-brainer to go for. So as I always say, please do take them profitability figures with a slight pinch of salt. Obviously the prices on Amazon are changing all the time, so they may end up being less profitable, but on the flip side they could also end up being more profitable. The prices can go up as well. But that was just 5 different products from 5 different websites. I hope that video showed the pure amount of deals out there, the types of deals, the number of websites you can get them from. A lot of people think there's only certain categories which are good for online arbitrage, like toys, but there really is opportunity everywhere. So I hope you found that video helpful. If you were interested in joining Profitl and get access to our Discord with all of them deals, head to the link in our description. We do also have an exclusive YouTube discount code if you were still thinking of joining, which I will just pop up right here. But make sure to like and subscribe and leave us a comment below to tell us how many FBA deals you find a month. But we will see you in the next video.